Hello everyone and welcome to another slightly shorter episode of Binance for Beginners. In this episode, I'll be showcasing Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a crypto wallet in the form of an app on your phone where you can buy, stake, exchange, and hold cryptos. The app is owned by Binance, but it differs from the exchange platform where it has better security and privacy. Binance does not collect any personal data that it gets from you. But cryptocurrencies aren't the only thing interesting about this wallet. You also have a big browser for the apps and a browser for NFTs where you can also buy them. Now, when you sign up for Trust Wallet, you'll see a very unique security feature. This feature will list you 15 random words in a very particular order, which you will need to write down somewhere or save somewhere safe. And anytime you log in through a new device, it will ask you to list those 15 words in that same order. This is to stop people from hacking your account or getting into your account when you don't want them to. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to become a part of the revolution today, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.